Hey guys, so I got a new light kit on my bedroom fan right now. I do like it a lot better than that right there. It's a lot better looking. So, and I actually can turn off the light. So, it's even better yet. So, got these shades on that light kit on. There is, you can see a little bit inside because I couldn't fit the other screw in there, so. Okay, turn the light on. I need to find a pull chain for that. Those two are 40 watts, and these two are 60 watts, so a little bit of a difference there. So. Okay, and low. I don't know why it's making that noise a lot, but yeah, that noise, I don't know why it's making that noise a lot, but I think I'm gonna just turn off the switch then and just do it, because maybe I could get electrocuted, I'm not sure. So yeah, there's low. Okay, now for medium, turn the switch off. Still got that guy on there. I'm gonna turn the light on actually. Oh, I can't do that. So. Okay, now for high. Does shake a little bit. So it was really powerful. It is a little bit wobbly, but okay, so yeah, this is my Homestead Universal with the new light kit on it, so.